Page 492, number 36. We're asked to convert the polar equation to a rectangular form and identify the graph. And the equation that is given is r equals -2 cosecant theta. And hopefully after working with these a bit, you'll start to recognize some of these common equations, and you won't have to do the conversions to recognize them. So what we want to do is put this in a form that's familiar to us. So in other words, we want just x and y. So we're going to use our conversion equations to go back and forth. So I have to make this look something like either x or y. So what I can do is, remember that x equals r cosine theta and y equals r sine theta. So I need to kind of convert it so it looks like that. So I want r and the trig function to be on the same side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by cosecant of theta. That'll move us closer towards getting r and the trig function on the same sides. So I have r over cosecant of theta. Well, you want to remember that 1 over cosecant of theta is sine of theta. So I can rewrite it in that way. So now I have r sine theta equals -2. And the nice thing is that r sine theta is y. So I have the equation y equals -2. And what this is a horizontal line. And what you can do is verify that on your graphing calculator if you'd like. You want to make sure that you put your calculator into polar coordinates to make sure that you do get that. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to go under mode and I'm going to switch to polar. It's right past parametric if you have an 84. Or again, you can go into your graph entry mode in your Inspire and choose polar. Okay, so I'll quit out of there and I'll go under y equals, and there's the equation. So we want to plot -2 divided by, and I'm going to put sine theta because my 84 does not have a cosecant. So I'm going to do sine of theta. Like that. And then when I hit zoom trig, I should get a horizontal line at -2, which I do. So I verified that my answer is indeed correct.